All right, welcome back, everybody. After a cloudy start to the day, we broke into a little blue sky here this afternoon into this evening, looking pretty nice. Oh, we just warmed up here to 38 degrees. Some warmer air is mixed down into the Helena Valley. Some gusts up to 35 miles per hour. We had been inversion in the valley for most of the day. Great Falls, temperature fluctuation all day long, going up into the 30s, back into the 20s, back up into the 30s, and temperatures coming down here right now. Here's this boundary, and the boundary lifted to the north of Helena earlier today, but again, we had that cold air trapped in the valley until just recently. We kicked that cold air out, and there's the wind. Strongest in Livingston, second right behind that wind as far as strength goes. Helena with south winds at 24 miles per hour. So a few flakes, mainly up over the higher elevations. Some flakes into the little belts, the big belts, the high woods, and now a couple of flakes working across the north central part of the state. That's the warm front that is producing a couple of those flakes here, but more in the way of snow closer to the Idaho border, especially down near Monida Pass. That's where some of that snow is heaviest, and the heaviest snow actually down into California, where we're still dealing with blizzard warnings right now. Winter weather advisory continues through most of tonight and tomorrow, down again from Monida Pass and Reynolds Pass there into southwestern Montana. Elsewhere, little snow system moving through the Ohio River Valley, and again, California is getting hit extremely hard with a lot of heavy rain and also heavy mountain snow. So here's a look at what will happen. We'll have some clouds continuing tonight into tomorrow morning around Helena and Great Falls. May even see a few flakes of snow in the morning hours into the mountains here for Thursday. Partly cloudy skies, though, by the afternoon. And then into Friday, the low pressure that's out off the coast of California, that moves through the central Rockies, and we'll have a little wave of low pressure coming up into the south central part of the state. That may kick off a little snow, believe it or not, Friday afternoon, Friday night into Saturday morning. By Saturday afternoon, most of the state partly cloudy and a little breezy with west winds up to about 15-20 miles per hour. Sunday looks dry, a very quiet end to January, and a fairly quiet start to February, at least February 1st, because here we go on to Groundhog Day and some snow coming through. Some snow may continue into Wednesday as well. So it does look like for at least the first week, maybe the first 2 weeks of February, a little snowier situation here coming through. But there you can see some of that snow, heaviest down there around West Yellowstone into the weekend. And then it's Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. We may get a little snow. Here's the forecast for tonight. Not as cold as the last few nights, but still pretty chilly. Rudyard down to 9, single digits and teens out the high line. A little warmer in central Montana. 20s and teens and 20s, not as cold around Helena. Here's the forecast for tomorrow. We'll look at temperatures up into the 20s, closer to the Canadian border. But how about 46 degrees in Cascade, Winifred, Geraldine, up into the mid-40s, a little colder northeast Montana. But there's Lewistown, partly cloudy, and 41, and we should be right near 40 degrees around Helena for the high tomorrow. Maybe the valley again could see a little inversion developing, about 37 or so. 48 though, or 38 I should say, on Friday with some afternoon light snow showers. The hills south of Helena could see maybe an inch or two of snow. Also up on the Continental Divide, maybe an inch or two Friday night into Saturday. Groundhog Day, a little more snow coming through into Wednesday as well. And for Great Falls, maybe a snow shower, better chance south and southeast of town on Friday into Saturday. Mild end to January and beginning of February, but there's some snow, Groundhog Day and Wednesday.
All right, thanks, Curtis. Still ahead on the news.